my name is Reese Hill. I am from Kansas City, Missouri, and I am currently a sophomore theater major, art minor here at Monmouth College. Right now I live in Peterson, which is an upperclassman dormitory, and here's my room tour. So the first thing you'll see when you walk in is a hallway. I live in a quad, which is 3 rooms and a bathroom connected with a hallway. So this is Emma's room, that's my room, that's my quad mate Morgan's room, and then this is our bathroom. In the bathroom, you have obviously the 2 sinks, our little shower area, the toilet, which is a separate enclosed space, and then lots of really nice cabinets over here and this side for storage. And now we'll move on to my room. So this is what you see when you first walk inside, and we'll go over a little bit more of the details here in a minute. So first thing you see when you walk in is kind of my pantry area. I have lots of different storage for food items, my mini fridge, my microwave, and then some storage for cups as well. I also do have an ESA. This is Mango. Hi, buddy. So if you hear any meowing during the video, that's what that is. On this right side, I have my closet and then some hooks where I can hang up my jacket, scarf, purse, and keys. I then have my crystal shelf and then these little guys up here as well. Over here is my dresser and then also kind of my makeup station. And then my earring tree as well. This is my pride and joy right here. I then have a lounge chair, my whole desk area, which I kind of turned into an L-shaped desk for a little bit more room. Pictures of all of my family and friends, and then my art wall. I am really proud of this wall and how I put it together. One of my favorite paintings here is this one right here. I painted it myself. It's a Monmouth College emblem. And then also up here, I have quite a few Taylor Swift posters as well because I am very much a hardcore Swiftie. And then I have my TV, some books because I really like to read, a nice wall with lights, and then my bed featuring many stuffed animals and squishmallows, and then 2 just cute little tapestries above. I really love having my bed in this corner, obviously because it's by the window, but it really just opens the room. And then when it gets that time of the day, there's usually a really gorgeous sunset out there too. Now, obviously I do live by myself. I do have some housing accommodations just due to mental health issues. So I do live by myself, but I really do enjoy it. And I'm really glad that I have quad mates, so I still have people to interact and talk with when I'm here in the dorm. But that has been my room tour. Thank you so much for watching.